Hey, what's up, guys? This is the first take of the girls burping. Okay, on 3.
Are you sure
Chug your drink. 1, 2, 3. Are they gone? Come on, keep it going, keep it going. Don't burp yet. Oh, oh, come on. Come on. That was weak. Vicky, what about you? Come on, just...
I got nothing.
Do you want to get more soda? Oh boy.
Damn it, this soda's cold! Cold?
You want to try one, Nick?
No, I don't burp.
You're such like a lady, man. I know. I don't burp. No. Drag queen.
You two are girls.
No.
But I can't burp. I can't make myself burp. I just can't.
I can do better ones. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
That was a better one, and I'm not even doing anything.
I forfeit.
They forfeit. I wasn't even in the competition.
Oh, wait.
And I was
No,
the best
I
one.
don't forfeit.
See ya.